first launched my business, every purchase felt like it was draining my account. I didn't think much about credit card rewards. I just wanted a card that worked. But once I started using the Chase Ink Business Cash, I realized I'd been leaving money on the table. This card turned everyday expenses into real cash back. And the best part, it didn't cost me a dime to keep. The Chase Ink Business Cash is a no annual fee business credit card designed for entrepreneurs who want to maximize rewards on everyday business expenses without adding extra costs. It's built to reward spending in key categories small businesses use the most, while offering the flexibility of cash back, gift cards, or even travel redemptions through Chase Ultimate Rewards. In this review, I'll walk you through how it performs in practice, what the costs and benefits look like, where it stands out compared to competitors, and who it suits best in 2025. One of the biggest draws of the Ink Business Cash is its generous welcome bonus, which can be worth hundreds of dollars once you meet the initial spending requirement. That alone makes it a strong starter card for small businesses. But what really keeps it valuable over time is the earning structure. The card rewards purchases in categories where businesses naturally spend: office supply stores, internet, cable, phone services, and gas stations. That means the money you're already spending can come back to you in the form of rewards. Unlike some business cards that lock you into narrow redemption options, the Chase Ink Business Cash gives you flexibility. You can redeem your rewards as cash back, statement credits, or even move them into travel if you pair this card with a premium Chase card like the Ink Business Preferred or Sapphire Preferred. That's when your rewards can stretch further, especially if you're interested in leveraging Chase's travel partners. What makes this card unique is that it carries no annual fee, which instantly lowers the barrier to entry for small business owners. There are, however, foreign transaction fees, which means it's not the best card for international travel. But for domestic business expenses, the rewards far outweigh the lack of an annual fee. The Ink Business Cash combines simplicity with high-value earning potential. For business owners who don't want to deal with a complicated point system, the cashback option makes it straightforward. But if you're more strategic, the ability to pair this with other Chase cards and turn cash back into ultimate rewards points adds a level of versatility that's hard to beat. The runs. This card isn't perfect. If your business doesn't spend heavily in its bonus categories, you might not maximize the rewards potential. Also, because it does charge foreign transaction fees, it's less appealing for those who frequently make international purchases or travel abroad for business. The Chase Ink Business Cash is best for small business owners who want a reliable, no annual fee card that rewards everyday spending. If your business expenses include office supplies, internet, or phone bills, this card will return consistent value month after month. It's also a great starter card for those new to Chase's business lineup, with the option to upgrade or pair with other cards later for more advanced travel strategies. At the end of the day, the Chase Ink Business Cash is a card that proves you don't need to pay an annual fee to earn serious rewards. It's practical, rewarding, and flexible enough to fit into just about any business owner's wallet. Whether you want straightforward cashback or the ability to unlock higher travel value by pairing it with other Chase cards, this card delivers. For small businesses in 2025, it remains one of the smartest no annual fee credit cards available.